In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use COUNTIF formula in Microsoft Excel. We'll walk through a simple example that shows how to count the number of cells that match a specific condition. COUNTIF is a very useful Excel function when you want to quickly find how many times a word, label, or value appears in a list. To begin, open your Excel workbook. This should be the file where you want to count cells based on a certain condition. Once the workbook is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through A9. This gives us a short list to work with and makes it easy to see how the formula works. Next, we'll enter the COUNTIF formula. Click on cell C1 and type completed tasks. This will serve as a clear label for the result you're about to calculate. After that, click on cell C2. In this cell, type the formula equals COUNTIF, then an opening parenthesis, the range A2 to A9, a comma, and then the word completed inside quotation marks, followed by a closing parenthesis. The formula is counting how many cells in the range A2 through A9 contain the exact word completed. As you enter the formula, remember that the range tells Excel where to look, and the criteria tells Excel what to count. In this case, Excel is scanning the selected cells and counting every match for the word completed. You can also adjust this formula depending on your needs. For example, if your data is in a different location, simply replace A2, A9 with another range. If you prefer to use a cell reference for the criteria, instead of typing the word directly into the formula, type completed into cell D2 and use that cell as your criteria. You can also count numbers greater than a certain value by replacing completed with greater than 100 as the condition. This makes COUNTIF flexible for both text and numeric data. Once the formula is entered, press enter. Excel will immediately calculate the result and display it in cell C2. You should now see the result 4. That means the word completed appears 4 times in the list. This confirms that the COUNTIF formula has successfully counted all matching entries in the selected range. And that's it. You now know how to use the COUNTIF formula in Microsoft Excel to count cells that meet a specific condition.